Like our beekeeper guy working some hives, and I think I'm seeing where they're swarming from. Here we go. I've taken swarm cells out of this hive and made splits previously. Apparently, this hive insists on swarming. Today I'm out here. Here's what it looks like. Look at them boiling out of there. So yeah, went to grab a box for one of my other big hives over here. Come back and this is what's happening. If I would have been gone 5 minutes longer, I wouldn't have been able to catch this. At least not this part, but they are going up in the air. I wonder where the queen is. She's already come out. I'm gonna watch and see. This is my swarm hive. No guarantees it was this one yesterday, but who knows? A lot of times big strong hives will throw off numerous swarms, I think, when they have so many queens. Some of them will be virgins. I don't know how many splits I've made off this hive. Quite a few. Where are we gonna go? I'm not seeing where they're going here. Look at this. It's going to be another big swarm, it looks like. This is crazy. Please don't go to the top of a pear tree. Can't believe that hive had so many bees in it. Well, I guess I should believe it. Some of my other hives here are pretty packed. It'd be pretty cool to see the queen pop out of there. She might already have come out, I don't know. Nope, about to fall down here. Trying to shoot up here into the air so we can see how many's flying and see if we can see where they're landing. But it's been a tough year to keep up with the bees. Tell me they're going over into a neighbor's tree. They have to be, because I'm seeing tons of bees over here. I'm not seeing them go onto a branch yet or anything. But yeah. Go back over here. Okay, so there's quite a few less bees over here in the air now to where they came out of. So thinking the queen must have gone that direction. Still a lot of bees here though. But yeah, right off over here, a monstrous amount of bees. This is getting crazy. I don't see him landing anywhere. But yeah, see up at the sky, it's pretty crazy. Wow. This is out of control. Well, I guess we'll see if they go ahead and land somewhere. And I'll come back and shoot some video of that. Let's double check really quick what's going on over here. Okay, so I guess they threw them off. That was a swarm that just got threw off. There's still some bees here thinking they're gonna leave too, probably, who knows. They all boiled out of there. I guess they're just waiting to land. Okay, I'm gonna go, if they land, I'm gonna try to put them in a box. We'll see if we have better luck today than yesterday. Okay, so my bee yard is just on the other side of the fence there. Here's where they came to. It's a good sized swarm, huh? Never heard me say that before, have you? All right, well, I climbed over here. I'm out of breath right now. I have the same nuke box I had yesterday. And you can see that is a hell of a swarm. All right, let's see if we can get them.